Metaphysical Books, Part 5, Astral Dynamics by Robert Bruce.
Okay, rock with me for a minute because there is a lot to unpack here. This is by far one of my favorite books and one of my most utilized books. Now, if you are someone who is wanting to increase your lucid dreaming, your control of, sitting down tonight, I'm going to have a lucid dream. And your control of astral projection, like, you know what, I'm about to sit down, take a seat and astral project right now versus not doing it at all, or versus just a random night you happen to lucid dream, or a random moment, you sit down and you happen to astrally project out of your body. This book will help you to learn how to master that and consciously choose to do it at any moment. Now, I was someone who, when I was at the school of metaphysics, we practiced, every week, sit down. Our teacher go into the other room, place a random object on the table, and you got to get up and walk over. You got to stay sitting physically, but you get up out of your body, walk over, and go into the other room. Look at what's on the table, come back, and then you talk about what you saw. And I had, some levels of success and not so much levels of success every single day. For a lot of times, I would have a 30 to 45 minute astral projection exercise. But when I started doing the techniques in this book, oh my God, immediately my astral projection increased, the abilities increased exponentially. Like I'm telling you, only 2 weeks. You can be somebody who's never astral projected, never lucid dreamed, practice these techniques in this book for 2 weeks, and it will change your experiences forever. And once you experience it, I tell you all the time, the difference between believing something and knowing something is experience. So through experiencing it, you can know whether lucid dreaming is real or not. You can know whether astral projection is real or not. Please, like I said, please do not believe me on any words that I say. Now you can tell how much I like this book. I got 3 bookmarks in it. It's highlights all through this book. The biggest thing that is the difference maker from how I've learned astral projection, how a lot of people talk about it, it's more visual cues. Using your inner sense of sight, because just like your outer senses, your physical body has senses, your astral body also has senses. Like when you're dreaming, you're not seeing things and hearing things with your physical eyes and ears. You're using your astral senses. So a lot of times people will teach people how to actually project through visually using their inner sight. And this book talks about feeling, using your inner sense of touch and feeling your way out of your body. It is huge. I'm telling you, check this book out.